How to recover your Fantasy Premier League account. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily recover your Premier League account. So if you are unable to log into your Premier League account, then I'm going to show you how you can fix this. So if you are still able to open up your application and access the Contact Us button, then you can do it directly via app. If not, you could just go ahead and open up this website on your web browser. So go ahead and search for premierleague.com/about or help. Then what you can do is you'll have this email right here that you can contact to. So if you cannot access your Premier League account or have queries about your account, you can contact this email right here. So long press on it and then copy this. Now, you could also see a step-by-step process on how you can recover your account or delete your account. Now, all you have to do is head over to your Gmail application. Now you're going to have to compose a new email. So go ahead and select this option right here and then add this as recipient. Now on the subject tab, you're going to paste this thing right here. So as you guys can see here, I have written a short email about how you can go on to request your recovery. You cannot forget these important details like your registered email, team name, and last successful login. And you can just write a similar request on your email, and all you have to do is just tap on the send option at the top, and you should be good to go. They'll respond within a few days and just follow the instruction. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.